Hi guys, it is heavy rain outside. So another one.
North central El Paso County in east central Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was near Gleneagle, or 19 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
I'm
Source:
watching a game.
radar indicated.
Kinda just
Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
it's not that. I think it's here.
Over mainly rural areas of north central El Paso County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
They're not gonna say locations? Where is it gonna be at?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 319, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes
Oh my god. Oh,
thunderstorm warning for north central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gleneagle, or 19 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour.
oh. God. Damn.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding,
This is
and
so
trees.
bad.
This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central El Paso County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Tornado warning in this area.
Right now, and give you those latest updates with my full forecast coming up here in just a little bit, guys. All right.